In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word. Let's dive right in and get started with this essential office tool. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Word application. If you're using a Windows PC, you can find it by searching in your Start menu. If you're on a Mac, check your Applications folder or use Spotlight to find it quickly. Once you have Word open, you'll be greeted by the Start screen, which serves as a hub for creating, opening, and managing your documents. Now, let's create a new document. On the home screen of Word, you'll see an option to create a new blank document. Select that to open a fresh page where you can start typing right away. This is your blank canvas to work on any kind of writing project, whether it's a letter, an essay, or even a report. As you work, an important tip to remember is to save your document frequently. You can do this by clicking File in the top menu, then Save As, and choosing a location on your computer to store your file. Next, let's talk about templates. Microsoft Word offers a variety of templates that can help you get started on more structured documents. From the Start screen, you'll notice a range of templates you can choose from, like resumes, invoices, newsletters, and more. These templates are pre-formatted with different styles and layouts. So if you're looking to save time and effort, they can be incredibly useful. Simply select a template that suits your needs, and Word will open it, allowing you to customize it with your content. Moving on, once you have your document ready, either from scratch or a template, it's time to start editing. Microsoft Word provides a robust set of editing tools. You can find these in the ribbon at the top of your window. From here, you can adjust the font type, size, and color to match your preference. You can also bold, italicize, or underline text to emphasize certain parts of your document. Additionally, Word offers features like spell check and grammar check to ensure your document is polished and error-free. So there you have it, a simple guide to getting started with Microsoft Word. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take some time to explore the different features Word has to offer. Whether you're drafting a formal letter, creating a school report, or just jotting down notes, Microsoft Word has the tools you need to make your documents look professional and well organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our channel for more tips and tutorials on using Microsoft Word and other great software.